In this soap making video, I'm going to show you how to make 2 pounds of goat milk soap with tallow. This soap includes tallow, canola, and coconut oil. The first step I did was to measure out the fat and oils. Here I measured out my tallow, canola, and coconut oil. The next thing I did was measure out the lye. I got my liquid mixture ready by measuring out 2 ounces of distilled water and 6.5 ounces of goat milk ice cubes. While I measured out the lye and liquids, I put the tallow in the microwave to slowly melt. I heated it up on defrost to avoid overheating. I slowly added the lye to the liquid mixture, 1 tablespoon at a time, and stirring for 30 seconds to a minute in between additions of lye. The process of combining the lye and the goat milk mixture takes between 10 to 15 minutes. Before you continue, double and triple check that all of your lye has dissolved. You don't want your soap having pockets of lye that can burn someone. Next, I added the coconut and canola in with the tallow and microwaved it a bit to melt the coconut oil. I then added my lye mixture to my oils. I hand stirred the mixture to get it started. I burped the stick blender by tapping it on the bottom of the bowl at an angle to get any of the air bubbles out. I then started to blend with the stick blender. I've noticed when making tallow soap it takes quite a bit for the soap to come to trace compared to other oil combinations I've used.